Hi guys, this is Cool Nerd 1, and this will be an unboxing video of my new Slash 4x4. Just so you guys know, this is a roller. Yeah, so you need a knife, and yeah, just gonna open it up. I just got this about 15-20 minutes ago, so yeah. Sorry, it's my washing machine making a lot of noise. Okay, be careful, close it up. Lots of newspaper. I'll have this running. Just so you guys know, my birthday is this week. I'm not gonna give you guys the details of it because I want to be kind of private. But yeah, I'm having my birthday party tomorrow, so I'll be getting some money so I can buy the ESC and transmitter for this truck. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Nice and shiny. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna take it out. Again, this is just an unboxing video. And I bought this from, I'm gonna try to give him some business because one of my friends has bought from him, and it seems like he's a really good eBay seller. His name's Lumidave. If you want to buy Slash 4x4 roller, I totally recommend it from this guy. It's a really good price. I bought it for shipping included $176, I'm pretty sure. Get my knife again. And then I'm just going to show you what it comes with. Basically everything that it will come with in the box, out of the box from Traxxas, but just not the electronics. The only thing I think he should have added in this was the servo. Yeah, it's just really something most rollers should come in. I got the spacers, some clips, and some foam for the battery. It's nice. I got some tools. It's really nice. And then I need one of those wrenches. Got the antenna, all the screws you need to get started, some more clips, and then you got all the manual and all that stuff from Traxxas. So yeah. So just for a closer up look of the truck, I'm gonna take off the camera. And yeah. Just so you can see it. Focus, come on, focus. It looks really nice. Just look forward to videos within a week and a half. I'll probably definitely have everything by then. My solar servo should be coming in a day or two. So yeah. Thanks for watching.